Hello guys, I hope you've been well. It's been a minute since the last time I posted. I had missed you, and guess what? Leo mtapenda. Yeah. So on this episode today we are learning how to make some wet fry. Fish wet fry. Oh my, mtapenda. As you can see, it looks so yummy. So stay tuned as we start the recipe today. And the accompaniment is other than, okay, I'll have some greens sideways and some ugali. So stay tuned as we start the recipe. And if you've not subscribed, kindly do so. And if it's your first time watching us, karibu sana, we like visitors. So let's start. Let's start with our ingredients. Here we have some coriander leaves, 1 big onion, grated tomato, fish medium size, and as you can see hapa tuko na some chili, salt, oil and some water kidogo sana, some water. Yes, not that. Then let's go to our next step. Here is our pan and oil. I come in with my onions. You can use as much as onion you need. You're not limited. I add some salt to make the onion to cook faster. They are ready. I'm not cooking them to golden brown, but I just wanted them to be soft. I come with my tomato. But then you can also use some garlic, ginger and garlic. Yes, if you lessen in your soup. Remember, this is the simplest way you can make your wet fry fish. I cover it to cook. As it's cooking, I add in my chili. By the way, you can also add some tomato paste if your tomatoes are not enough, or you need some sauce that is thicker. Our tomatoes are still cooking, so I'll add some salt to now taste. Remember, I had already added some kwa onion, so sitaongeza mingi. As you can see the way it's looking like, I then come in with my water for the sauce. Yes, msiseme oh sijui maji. Yes, I need some sauce. That will be enough. Allow it to boil. Yes. Let's see how our sauce is. It's good to go. Guys, if you're at this point and you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Yes. Come in with my fish. And then let me show you. I cover the fish with the sauce. I'm sure you've covered it well. Hii supu itasaidia kuivisha the fish and the sauce ifike huko ndani. That's why I added some water. Msishangae ni ya nini, because with the only sauce yenye ilikuwa ya tomatoes haingeivisha huku ndani, so I cover it like that. I hope you're following. Just comment down there uniambie unaiona aje, utajaribu ama ushajaribu as we are talking. Niambie. So after that I cover it to simmer, yes, for about 5 minutes and reduce my heat. Yes, let's give it 5 minutes. In the meantime, kama uja subscribe kindly. Our 5 minutes are over. Wow. As you can see, the juice ama maji yenye nilikuwa nimeweka has already drained, so meaning our fish is ready. So I come in with my coriander. Yes, and that's it guys, yes, you're good to go. That's the recipe for today. I hope you've enjoyed, you've liked the video, and also you'll try. Just try, uniambie how zako zimetokea, if it's something like this ama it's something different. Yes, kindly comment down below. Till next time, thank you so much, bye. It's ready now, it's ready, waiting to be served. Bye bye.